everyone, and welcome back to Everybody Loves English with me, your English teacher, Mr. Nick. As you can see today, we're at the beach, and it reminds me of so many expressions I love teaching my students. The first one, to dive right in. To dive right in means to jump into the water. But as an expression, it means to start doing something very enthusiastically. Like imagine when you go visit your parents and your mom makes you your favorite dinner. Do you wait for everybody before you start eating, or do you just dive right in? It's the same when you want to start a new activity or something that you haven't done before, like a new job. Just dive right in, start doing it right away. Another expression it reminds me of is to get your feet wet. Now, when you're starting a new activity or a new job or something that you don't have a lot of experience with, you just have to start at the beginning. You're gonna make some mistakes, but you just have to get your feet wet. Start doing something that you've never done before. Another expression the beach reminds me of is making waves. Now, these are a lot of waves behind me over here, but when we make waves, it means we are creating controversy, or we are saying things or talking about things that many people disagree about. And sometimes this can make waves. When somebody is making waves, they are talking about things that will create lots of conversation, usually that will lead to arguments. Here's another one that I get reminded of when we're at the beach. To make a splash. When people jump into the water, a lot of water gets thrown everywhere, right? That's making a splash. But we use it as an expression as well. For example, John opened up a series of restaurants in Los Angeles, which are very successful. Now that he made a splash in Los Angeles, he decided to open up some more restaurants all over the country to make a splash. Another thing I get reminded of is doing the wave. When you go to sporting events, some stadiums, arenas, you'll see a lot of fans standing and then sitting. We call that the wave, not a wave. That's a wave. The wave is something specific when everybody in an arena or a stadium stands and sits, and they do that all around the stadium. It's called the wave. And another expression using Waze. If you work in a restaurant especially, you'll know that it's not always busy from the morning until night. We have a lot of customers in the morning for breakfast, then it's quiet, then we have a lot of customers at lunch, then it's quiet again, then a lot of customers come in for dinner, and then it's quiet again. So we can say that the customers come in waves, up and down, like a wave, right? When something happens in waves, or when something comes in waves, it's not continuous and consistent. And there's an up and down, just like the waves. Well, as you can see, it's not very easy making these videos when you're at the beach. But if you enjoyed today's lesson, please go ahead and hit subscribe, then hit that little bell to make sure you get notified every time we make these videos. You know why? Because everybody loves English and everybody loves the beach. That's right. I hope you're all having a great summer and you're getting a chance to relax. See you soon.